All right. Hi, my name is Delila, and today I'll be presenting on nonprofit initiatives dedicated that are highlighted and dedicating to promoting better mental health. So the importance of mental health to start, people are facing, such as
So,
depression, anxiety, among other things. And for this reason, it can significantly hinder a person's ability to be able to just go about doing things regularly and be able to be successful in any dreams or any other pursuits that they have within themselves. So for this reason, a need for supporting people with mental health disorders and among other things is so needed today. So, um, so what efforts are nonprofit groups making to support and assist with the mental health crisis today? Well, one nonprofit organization that's helping is Never a Bother. And Never a Bother is it's aimed to helping prevent suicide, and it prevents suicide among teens and young adults in California, reduce harm, and encourage friends to recognize the power they have to support someone in a crisis. And one thing that they focus on is telling them that it's always okay to reach out for help. You're never a bother to someone, and it's never something that's bad for you to ask for help. That we're always all in need of support, and um, that's something that should be seen as powerful and not as a weakness. So on their social media, they also are very active in promoting personal stories to show that the way people have gotten support is seen as something that's been something very powerful within their life to help push them forward and succeeding and just feeling independence as well, like in a sense of power over themselves in the midst of facing these kind of disorders. So this is a video. I don't know if you can guys hear it. Let me know if you guys can't, but yeah. Can you guys hear it?
yeah, we can hear.
Okay.
Or actually, like, just barely.
You can barely hear it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me try and pick up the volume. Mm, Is that better?
Could you try playing it?
Is that good?
It's a little better. I can like barely hear
Okay.
it.
Success or mistakes, failures, and many moments of failure. Behind the girl who has to do it all is the girl who felt like she couldn't do anything. But behind the girl who does it all is vulnerability, support, and the girl who asks for help. This girl is so thankful that she did it. To learn how to help yourself or a friend struggling with suicidal ideation or hopelessness, visit Never a Bother.
So this is just one out of many ones that they highlight with on their Instagram and just showing their personal stories, a way to connect with other people and show them that I've gone through this and this is the way that I dealt with it, and it's been so powerful to me. A quote that she wrote, her name was Deja, is this: after a lifelong battle with ideation and hopelessness, these moments were incredibly scary for me. Truly the one difference now in being able to see myself as this badass that others see was having support of someone who loved me and saw in me what I couldn't see in myself. Showing that there's strength in coming toward others, even there's power in coming to a friend with what you're going through in your life, because it's building that connection and it's building yourself to be stronger in the process. Um, Another nonprofit initiative is, oh, I don't know if I can, is Centro del Pueblo. It was established in 1974, and it's a nonprofit for it's in the community service agency for the purpose of elevating and mitigating the negative effects of gang violence. In addition to this, it's promoting good mental health. It works alongside Never a Bother, and they promote like suicide prevention campaign events for the community, as well as provide like opportunities to learn about different things such as their own culture in the midst of everything. Um, and it's really awesome to see that it's like something that's like community based and aimed to helping the youth within the community and aiding their mental health in the process. Yeah, so they provide services such as counseling, drug prevention, social rehabilitation, employment, outreach, education, and health services, among other things. So these are a couple other nonprofit organizations that are working to help with the mental health crisis today, such as DBSA, the Mental Health America, the Child Mind Institute. And another thing that I liked about these was that they're promoting education as well alongside helping those with their mental health, um, and especially aimed toward the youth. Well, something before I close off, something that was really inspiring to me in researching about these different mental health and nonprofit initiatives is the fact that a lot of these are like some of them are run by like the Never Bothers, a lot of students within it, a lot of young people, and just knowing that, you know, if you really have a goal in mind and how you can help any way, shape, or form helps your community out, even just by, you know, sharing your personal stories or just by, you know, speaking about like your own personal experience and like campaigning for it and simple posts and things like that and ways for people to get support and just finding power and knowing that your friend can be someone that's a support and just educating yourself. So just encouraging like everyone, like anybody can make a difference. You just have to have a passion for it and just have a goal, and you don't ever have to do it alone. You could do it as a team. So yeah, so thank you so much, and